This electric vehicle's 8 batteries don't last very long. The front 4 batteries are newly installed. How were they connected? They were connected with a single wire. When the rear set of batteries ran out of power, they would connect this wire to the charging port of the front set of batteries and the charging port of the rear set of batteries. That's how they used it. I don't know which technician connected it this way. Some people say this connection method is usable, but it's not very convenient. For convenience, we'll use a switch to connect a 2-battery switching switch, which will make it much easier to use. Let's see how we connected it. First, we connect the negative terminals of the 2 batteries together with a wire. After connecting the negative terminal of the rear battery, we cut this wire and connect it to the negative terminal of the front set of batteries. This connects the negative terminals of both batteries. You can see the 2 negative terminals are connected by this wire. Next, we disconnect the positive terminal of the rear set of batteries. The thick wire goes to the controller, we pull it out, cut it, strip the insulation, and connect it to the bottom of the switch. This wire is also the main positive wire of the vehicle. Then we use another wire to connect it to any terminal on the switch. The other end is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and also connected in parallel with the positive charging port wire of this battery. This connects the rear set of batteries. Next, we connect the front set. We use another wire to connect it to the remaining terminal on the switch. Then, we cut the other end and connect it to the positive terminal of the front set of batteries and the positive charging port, also in parallel. That's how the wiring is done. It's that simple. Only one switch can be turned on at a time. Both cannot be on simultaneously. This prevents the 2 sets of batteries from interfering with each other and causing damage. This way, we can use either set of batteries by simply turning on the corresponding switch. If you want to use the other set, just turn on the other switch, and the first one will automatically turn on. What do you think of this wiring method? Do you have a better wiring method?